Okay, so this is Yogesh Patel from Dot9 Games. I'm a studio head at Dot9 Games. And currently we are showcasing our game 4G Domination for the pre-registration event. And I'm a studio head actually. So I'm leading the game development of the 4G Domination. And currently we are thinking of releasing it onto the Play Store and maybe later on to App Store also. And it's a team deathmatch game where it will be having 5 to 6 modes of gameplay, fully online multiplayer game. And Dot9 Games is currently working on to this game, and we have already released other games like Ram Setu. We have Apna games, and we are also worked on to Sniper Elite mode or Sniper Deathmatch game. And IGDC, it's a very nice platform for the people who are looking for the indie developers as well as the team who are really looking to playtest their games, getting feedbacks and reviews regarding how the people are feeling. And by playing the games, we get good feedback regarding where we are and on to what we need to improve on to. So yes, it's a super platform which helps investor to find the right type of people where they need to invest actually. The new gamers and the students or the indie developers, they must attend this event so that they'll come to know regarding what all is going on in the industry, like where they are competing or where they should be. Like if they want to be into this market, how should they develop themselves and where they should focus on to.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for the information.
Thank you.